Okay, quick thought. If your business feels busy but your bank account isn't growing, it's not your marketing, it's not your pricing, it's your calendar. And I know that's not what most people want to hear because your calendar feels full for a reason. You got calls, messages, fires to put out, team questions, customers, admin. It feels like you're doing everything right, but let me tell you what I just walked through with a client. This guy runs a solid business, good revenue, good demand, always busy, but every month, same problem, no real profit. And he kept saying, I think we just need more leads. We pulled up his calendar, and within about 10 minutes, it was obvious. Nothing on his calendar actually made money. It was all maintenance, answering questions, fixing problems, reacting to things that shouldn't even be on his plate anymore. And this is where a lot of business owners get stuck because being busy feels productive, but busy and profitable are not the same thing. You can spend 10 hours a day working and not move your business forward at all. So here's the shift I want you to think about. Every single thing on your calendar either 1, grows the business, 2, maintains the business, or 3, slows it down. And most owners live almost entirely in maintenance. That's why the business feels heavy. That's why you're always tired. That's why money doesn't seem to match effort because maintenance work doesn't scale. Let me give you a simple example. If your day is filled with checking on jobs, answering team questions, handling small issues, following up on things that should have already been handled, that's not growth work. That's you being the system. And if you're the system, the business can't grow past you. So when people say, I need better marketing, a lot of the time, that's not true. Because even if you got more customers right now, your calendar couldn't handle it. You'd just create more chaos, more stress, more problems, same profit. So instead of asking, how do I get more leads, start asking, what's on my calendar that actually makes money? And here's where it gets real. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. You start realizing you're in meetings you don't need to be, you're solving problems your team should own, you're doing $10 an hour task in a $100 an hour role. And it's not because you're doing something wrong, it's because no one ever showed you how to separate working in the business from building the business itself. So here's something practical you can do. Look at your last 5 work days, not what you think you did, what you actually did. And ask yourself, if I removed myself from these tasks, would the business stop? If the answer is yes, that's your problem because you've built something that depends upon you staying busy instead of something that creates profit. And this is where delegation comes in. Not the way people talk about it. Delegation isn't just getting help. It's removing yourself from anything that doesn't directly grow the business. That's it. That's the whole game. Because once you free up your calendar, now you have space to improve sales and fix your pricing, build systems, make better decisions. That's where profit actually comes from. Not doing more, but doing the right things. So if your business feels busy right now, but the money doesn't reflect it, don't go chase more leads. Don't go tweaking your marketing. Start with your calendar because most owners don't fix this. And that's exactly why they stay stuck.